Hello again and welcome to Crazy Medic Files. Today we dwell on the medical condition known as hydrocephalus. Ever seen a newborn spotting large head and you're wondering what went wrong? Well, on today's episode of Crazy Medic Files we discuss about hydrocephalus. What is hydrocephalus? Hydrocephalus is a medical condition characterized by an abnormal accumulation of cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, within the brain's ventricles, leading to increased intracranial pressure. This condition can result from various factors, including overproduction of CSF, blockages in its normal flow, or impaired absorption. The excess CSF accumulation can exert pressure on the brain, potentially causing a range of neurological symptoms and complications. Your brain serves as the central control unit for your entire body, responsible for thoughts, emotions, and coordination. To protect and sustain it, a clear, vital fluid known as cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, envelops your brain. CSF acts as a cushion, guarding the brain against shocks, while also delivering essential nutrients. Now, let's dive deeper into what occurs in hydrocephalus, breaking down complex terms for clarity. 1. Excessive brain fluid. Picture CSF like a faucet stuck in the on position. At times, the brain produces more CSF than necessary. This surplus fluid starts to fill the brain's spaces, similar to a bathtub overflowing. 2. Obstructed pathways. Imagine CSF as a river flowing through your brain. In hydrocephalus, there can be obstacles in the river's path, like rocks or debris that block its flow. These obstructions can result from various reasons, such as birth defects, tumors, infections, or bleeding in the brain. 3. Faulty drainage system. Normally, your body is quite intelligent. It knows when to halt CSF production, and any extra fluid is absorbed, like a sponge soaking up spilled water. However, in hydrocephalus, this cleanup process might malfunction. Consequently, the excess fluid remains and keeps accumulating. As this surplus fluid builds up inside your brain, it applies pressure, akin to blowing up a balloon inside your head. When pressure mounts, it can lead to various issues. Just imagine trying to think clearly with a balloon pressing against your brain. It can result in persistent headaches, feelings of nausea, and even impact your ability to think and remember things. In straightforward terms, hydrocephalus is when your brain ends up with too much brain water, because it's producing too much, there are obstacles in the pathways, or the cleanup process isn't functioning correctly. This excess brain water creates pressure and can lead to issues with how your brain functions.